Okay, picking up with slide number 10. So let's, now we're going to talk about triple compound meter. So we just talked about duple compound meter, and now we'll do triple compound meter. So let's practice the graphic here that's in the middle of slide number 10. So just as before, we'll count 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, but we'll only clap on the dotted quarter notes or eighth notes. So just to clarify, I will, even though it says 1, 2, 3 here, I'm still going to count 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. But I'm only going to clap here, 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 and then I will clap on each one of these eighth notes. So I'm going to clap on the dotted quarter notes and also all of the eighth notes. Okay, so let's practice that together right now. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Right? I did the repeat there. Hey, what do you think the meter signature should be for this rhythm example? Think about that, and also let's practice this with track 8 together, and then you can do it by yourself after. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, and so on. So again, as with all these, practice with me and then practice it by yourself. So you can do it, feel it, make sure you can do it all by yourself. Okay, so back to our question here. What do you think the meter signature should be for this? Let's go to our next slide, slide 11. So it should be 9/8, right? How do we know that? Well, we can tell that easily if we look at the second measure. Hey, we have 9 eighth notes, right? And they fill up the entire measure. And so remember that if we have 9, or if we have 8, if we have eighth notes, that means we're going to get eighth notes getting the beat. We're going to get an 8 as the lower number, and we have 9 of them. So that means our 9 is going to be the upper number. So meter signatures with 9 as the upper number indicate triple compound meter. Okay, so let's move on to our next slide here. A little bit more about triple compound meter. So the most common triple compound meter signatures are 9/4 and 9/8. And just like when we looked at 6/4, right, remember that the beat in 6/4 and also 9/4 will be indicated by a dotted half note, okay? So if we were to practice this rhythm example here, what says 9/4, we'll see that it goes like this. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, right? And the one that's in 9/8 will sound exactly the same, but it just looks, it's notated differently. So it's going to sound like, ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, okay? So they look, again, they look different, but they're going to sound the same. Okay, moving on to slide 13. So sometimes triple compound meters that look like 9/8, right, as you can see here on slide number 13, are sometimes notated like with a 3 on the top and a dotted quarter note on the bottom as a means to show the number of beats per measure more clearly, right? So really, we have 3 big beats, and that's where that 3 comes from. But each of those 3 is divided into 3, right? So again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, or how we're counting it: 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, right? So just 2 different ways to say the same thing. In my experience, mostly I've seen 9/8 rather than the 3 with a dotted quarter note underneath. But sometimes you will see it written either way. So it just means the same thing. Okay, let's move on to slide 14. So now let's practice some rhythms in triple compound time. Remember to count the divisions just like we did before. So even though so I'm going to count every measure the same: 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, but I'm going to clap only on the dotted quarter note or the 8th note. Or let's go to the next slide, 15. If we see in this, we'll see some other rhythms too, like a dotted whole note, like in example number 3. I'm going to clap on those too. Let's save that. Let's talk about that when we get to it. First off, let's look at example 1 here on slide number 15. So, okay, example 1. This one's in 9/8, and it looks like I have nothing too crazy here. However, be on the lookout here. Let's see here. Okay, so for actually measure number 1 of example 1, let's just isolate that one real quick. We'll practice it by itself. It's going to go like this: 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Right? So notice that on the 3rd beat here, meaning the 3rd measure, hold on a second. No, right here. The 1st measure, 3rd beat, we're going to have 3 la li, right? I didn't write it down here, but 3 la li. So I'm going to clap here and here, but I'm still going to count 3 la li, and the li is where I'm going to clap on this 8th note here. Okay, let's try example number 1. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay. Again, I'm not going to do the repeats on these, but when you practice them by yourself, you should do the repeats. Okay. Now let's look at example number 2. Notice here in the 2nd measure, I have a tie. So for the 2nd measure, it's going to go 1 la li 2. Right when I say 2, I'm not going to clap, but I will clap right after on the la li, right? So measure 2 of example 2, meaning, what do I mean by measure 2? We talked about measures, but just to clear that up, talking about this measure here, from here to there, right? We're going to count 1 la li 2, but when I count 2, I'm not going to clap, right? Because the tie, I'm supposed to carry this over. And then, but I will clap again on la li, and then 3 la li here. Okay, and also the ending, I'm going to clap right on 1, and then I'm just going to count la li. So I'm going to clap on 1, and then I'm going to go la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. I'm not going to clap anymore in that measure because I have my tie. Going from my dotted half note tied into a dotted quarter note. Okay, let's try number 2. Maybe we'll do this one a little slowly. How about like la li, 2 la li, like that. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay? If I were to do that one with a single pitch, it would sound like this. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay? All right, let's look at number 3 now. So with number 3, what's our meter signature? Right? It's 9/4. So this one, remember, we're feeling it the same way, we're counting it kind of the same way, but it looks a little different. So notice in this one, we have dotted whole notes. Our very first note in measure 1 of example 3 here is a dotted whole note. So for dotted whole notes, those are going to get really 2 big beats, right? So for this one, I will go 1 la li, 2 la li, right? So it's going to last for 2 beats, and then beat 3 is just 3 la li. So maybe for a more visual example here, I'm going to have 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. So beat 3 starts here, right? And then what do I have? 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay, so let's do example 3. We'll do it nice and slow again. So how about our tempo? 1 la li, 2, like that. Okay, ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. If I were to play this one as a pitch, it would sound like this. Let's see, we have 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay? So practice that one. If it helps you, you can write in the counting underneath, right? You can do that if you want. However, it's also good to be able to not have the counting underneath, right? Because when you get to a real life music example, the counting's not going to be written in. Just going to have to be able to read that music. Okay, let's look at number 4 now. So number 4, if we look at the third measure, we have an 8th rest. And so with that 8th rest, okay, right here, that occurs on beat number 2. So I'm not going to clap on 2, but I will clap on the la li right after, right? So we'll have like 1 la li, 2 is the rest, and then la li, 3 la li. Okay? And again here, what do we have? A tie. So here, we're going to count this measure like and clap like 1 la li, 2 la li, 3. I'm not going to clap on 3, but I will clap on the la li right after 3. Okay? So let's do number 4. Here we go. Nice and slow again. So we'll go ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay? And if I were to play that one with a pitch, it would sound like this. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li. Okay. All right, so that does it for today. If any of this stuff is confusing, if you're having a hard time clapping it or counting it or anything, understanding it, please reach out, email me. I'd be happy to set up a meeting, a Zoom meeting with you. We can practice it together a little bit. So, reach out, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you soon.